Have you ever wondered what the top attractions in Russia are? Well, you're in for a treat. As the largest country in the world, Russia spans across 11 time zones and 2 continents, boasting a diverse landscape from subtropical beaches to Arctic tundra. It's a place where Europe meets Asia, and the old intertwines with the new. With a population over 140 million people, Russia is a melting pot of more than 100 ethnic groups, each with its own unique cultures and traditions. The climate here can be as diverse as its landscape. From the frigid temperatures of Siberia to the mild climates of the Black Sea coast, the country offers a variety of weather conditions. Regardless of the season, there's always something to see and do in Russia. The official language is, of course, Russian. But don't be surprised if you hear a myriad of other languages spoken here, reflecting the country's rich cultural diversity. The capital, Moscow, is a bustling metropolis known for its stunning architecture and vibrant nightlife. It's also the heart of Russia's economy, which is one of the largest in the world. The economy is fueled by the country's vast natural resources, including oil, gas, and minerals. The Russian ruble is the national currency, but don't let that stop you from enjoying the country's rich culinary traditions. From hearty stews and soups to delicate pastries, Russian cuisine is a delightful exploration of flavors and textures. Traditions and festivals play a significant role in Russian life. Whether it's the colorful Maslenitsa festival signaling the end of winter, or the solemn Victory Day commemorating the end of World War II, there's always a reason to celebrate in Russia. But perhaps the most enticing aspect of Russia is its unique cuisine. Whether it's the hearty borscht, the delicate blini, or the decadent caviar, Russian cuisine is a gastronomic adventure waiting to be discovered. Stay tuned as we delve into the top 10 must-see attractions in this vast and diverse country. Kicking off our countdown at number 10 is the world's deepest and oldest freshwater lake, Lake Baikal. Nestled in the heart of Siberia, Lake Baikal is a spectacle of natural wonder. Its crystal-clear waters plunge to a depth of over 1 mile, making it the deepest freshwater lake on our planet. And with an age of around 25 million years, it's also the oldest. But it's not just about age and depth. Lake Baikal is a biodiversity hotspot, home to more than 1,700 species of plants and animals, 2/3 of which can't be found anywhere else in the world. The lake is also a cultural treasure, deeply revered by the local Buryat people who consider it a sacred place. Their traditions and celebrations centered around the lake add a rich layer of cultural significance to this natural marvel. A trip to Russia would be incomplete without experiencing the majestic beauty of Lake Baikal. Moving on to number 9, we have the iconic Trans-Siberian Railway. A marvel of engineering, this railway line is the longest in the world, stretching an impressive 6,000 miles from Moscow to Vladivostok. It's more than just a railway, it's a journey through time and space, offering a unique glimpse into the heart of Russia. The Trans-Siberian Railway was constructed in the late 19th century, an ambitious project that took over 25 years to complete. As it snakes its way across the country, it traverses diverse landscapes, from the Ural Mountains and the vast Siberian plains to the shores of Lake Baikal, the world's deepest freshwater lake. Riding the Trans-Siberian Railway is like taking a living history lesson as it connects cities steeped in tradition with remote regions that few travelers get to see. It's a journey of discovery, of adventure, of understanding. For an unforgettable journey across the heart of Russia, the Trans-Siberian Railway is your ticket. At number 8, we venture into the wild Kamchatka Peninsula. This eastern Russian territory is a treasure trove of natural wonders. Imagine a place where the earth boils and bubbles, a place where more than 300 volcanoes stand, 29 of them active. This is the land of fire and ice, where the raw power of nature is always on display. The peninsula is home to the world's second-largest geyser field, the Valley of Geysers, which has over 90 geysers and hot springs. But it's not just about geysers and volcanoes. Kamchatka is teeming with wildlife. From brown bears to sea otters, from Steller's sea eagles to salmon, the region's biodiversity is simply astounding. Kamchatka, with its rugged landscapes and untamed wilderness, is a paradise for those with a thirst for adventure. Whether it's trekking across lava fields, watching the northern lights, or soaking in a thermal spring, Kamchatka offers experiences that are truly out of this world. For nature lovers and adventure seekers, Kamchatka is a must-visit. Coming in at number 7 is the treasure trove of Russian art, the Russian Museum. Nestled in the heart of St. Petersburg, this museum is the first state museum of Russian fine arts in the country. The museum was established in the late 19th century by Emperor Nicholas II himself, and it houses an extensive collection of over 400,000 exhibits covering all historical periods and development trends of Russian art, all genres, and many types and directions of art. The Russian Museum is not just a repository of artworks, but it serves as a cultural and educational center that promotes Russian art and culture. This museum is a must-visit for anyone looking to understand the soul of Russia through its art. Its collection is a testament to the rich history and vibrant culture of this vast nation. For an immersive experience in Russian art, make sure to visit the Russian Museum. Next up at number 6, we have the heart of Moscow, the Kremlin and Red Square. An architectural marvel and a historical treasure, the Kremlin has been the epicenter of Russian power for centuries. The towering red brick walls, the golden domes of its cathedrals, and the grandeur of the palaces within its walls are a testament to the strength and resilience of the Russian nation. Adjacent to the Kremlin, the Red Square stands as a symbol of Russia's turbulent past. It has been a witness to numerous historical events, from coronations of czars to declarations of Soviet power. Today, it is a bustling hub of activity where locals and tourists alike gather to admire the stunning architecture and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. The Kremlin and Red Square are not just buildings or landmarks. They are living, breathing embodiments of Russian history and culture. The Kremlin and Red Square are symbols of Russia's rich history and political power. Halfway through our countdown at number 5 is the cultural capital of Russia, St. Petersburg. Often referred to as the Venice of the North, St. Petersburg is renowned for its beautiful architecture and intricate canal system. The city's skyline is a mosaic of historical and architectural landmarks, from the majestic Winter Palace to the iconic Church of the Savior on Spilled Blood. But it's not just the physical structures that make St. Petersburg a must-visit. The city is also a vibrant hub of arts and culture. It's home to the world-famous Mariinsky Theater, a historic stage that has seen countless ballet and opera masterpieces. And let's not forget the numerous literary cafes where discussions of Dostoevsky and Pushkin echo through the air. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a history buff, or simply someone who appreciates beauty, St. Petersburg offers an unforgettable experience. St. Petersburg is a city that encapsulates the soul of Russia. At number 4, we have one of the world's largest and oldest museums, the Hermitage Museum. Established in the mid-18th century, the Hermitage in St. Petersburg is a testament to Russia's rich cultural history and the world's shared artistic heritage. Housing an astonishing 3 million works of art and artifacts, it's a treasure trove of global art and culture. From prehistoric artifacts to priceless masterpieces by Leonardo da Vinci, Rembrandt, and Picasso, the Hermitage's vast collection spans across centuries and continents. Its importance as a cultural institution is undeniable, serving as a beacon of knowledge and inspiration for millions of visitors each year. The Hermitage isn't just a museum. It's a vibrant symbol of Russia's commitment to preserving and celebrating the world's artistic and cultural diversity. Here, every corner, every hallway, every room tells a story, offering a fascinating glimpse into the human civilization's creative journey. A visit to the Hermitage Museum is a journey through centuries of global art and culture. Coming in at number 3 is the world's largest forest, the Siberian taiga. This expansive forest covers a staggering 17.8 million square kilometers, making it larger than the entire United States. It's a living, breathing testament to the raw and untouched beauty of nature. The Siberian taiga is a biodiversity hotspot, boasting a wide array of species, many of which are unique to the region. From the elusive Siberian tiger to the majestic elk, the forest teems with life. It's also home to a variety of plant species, including the Siberian larch, which can live for up to 2,000 years. But the Siberian taiga isn't just a wildlife haven. It plays a crucial role in our global climate. Acting as a massive carbon sink, it absorbs billions of tons of carbon dioxide each year, helping to combat climate change. The Siberian taiga is a testament to the raw and untouched beauty of nature. Almost at the top, at number 2, we have the world-renowned Russian ballet. A cultural gem like no other, the Russian ballet is a fascinating fusion of history, artistry, and sheer human prowess. Its roots trace back to the 18th century when the first ballet school was established in St. Petersburg. Since then, Russia has been the birthplace of numerous ballet stars and innovative choreographers who've left an indelible mark on the world stage. The Russian ballet is not just a dance, but a language of movement that tells stories full of passion, drama, and beauty. It's a testament to the Russian spirit, a symbol of grace under pressure, and a beacon of artistic expression. The influence of Russian ballet extends well beyond the country's borders, shaping the global dance scene and inspiring countless performers and audiences alike. The grace and precision of the Russian ballet is a spectacle not to be missed. This dance form is a living, breathing testament to Russia's rich cultural heritage and artistic prowess. And finally, at number 1, the top attraction in Russia is its people. Imagine a nation spanning 11 time zones, each brimming with a rich tapestry of cultures, languages, and traditions. This is Russia, and its people are as diverse and expansive as the land they inhabit. From the vibrant, cosmopolitan crowds of Moscow and St. Petersburg to the nomadic reindeer herders of Siberia, the Russian people embody a unique blend of resilience and warmth. They are renowned for their hospitality, often inviting visitors into their homes for a hearty meal of borscht or pelmeni, or a warming sip of vodka on a cold winter's night. Despite the harsh climatic conditions and challenges they often face, their spirit remains unbroken, their hospitality undiminished. Whether it's the rhythmic cadence of their language, the soul-stirring melodies of their music, or the indomitable strength of their character, the Russian people captivate like no other. The warmth and strength of the Russian people is truly the heart of this vast country. What a journey we've had, exploring the top attractions of Russia. We embarked on an exciting ride, starting with the stunning Lake Baikal, the world's deepest and oldest freshwater lake. Then we chugged along the Trans-Siberian Railway, the longest railway line in the world, offering breathtaking views of the Russian landscape. The Kamchatka Peninsula wowed us with its vibrant wildlife and active volcanoes, while the Russian Museum and the Hermitage Museum gave us a glimpse into the rich history and culture of this vast nation. The Kremlin and Red Square, symbols of Russia's power and grandeur, and the elegant city of St. Petersburg left us in awe. We then ventured into the Siberian taiga, the world's largest forest, before being enchanted by the grace and beauty of the Russian ballet. Finally, we celebrated the warmth and resilience of the Russian people, the true heart of this country. Thank you for joining us on this virtual journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting travel content.